Most of the people thinks that the Dabawala is like a catering service, but this is not the Dabawala basically.
आप कितने साल से काम कर रहे हैं?
वो 20-40 साल हो गए।
ये पुण्य का काम है, ऐसे काम जो हटके है, सारी दुनिया में सबसे अलग है, एक अपनी पहचान है।
We are not selling the lunch boxes. We are just providing the delivery facilities to our customer. We pick your lunch box from your home and deliver to your office. This is our first transaction. And what is second transaction? After your lunch, we again pick your empty lunch box from your office and get back delivered to your home. For one customer, we are doing 2 transactions. For 200,000 customer, we are doing 400,000 transactions every day.
तो कुछ भी धूप हो, बारिश हो, आंधी हो, कुछ भी हो, लेकिन हमको खाना खिलाना है, खिलाना सब।
डब्बा वाला इज हीरो।
हीरो, डब्बा वाले सुपर हीरो।
This is our official logo basically. The logo consists of 3 words. You can see the first word is Mumbai, the second word is Dabba, and third one is Wala. So why we add Mumbai here? Because we provide this service in Mumbai only, not in other cities as well as not in other countries. And the Dabba means the lunch box, and the Wala means who carry that lunch box. Mr. Madhu Hauji Bachche, he is the founder. So he is the first Dabba wala who started this service, and he started this service in 1890. And now we are completed 133 years. So Mumbai local train is the backbone of the Mumbai basically. So Mumbai is the vertical city. 99% Dabba wala's works are done by the local train. ये हमारा आइडेंटिटी है बेसिकली. हम टेक्नोलॉजी यूज नहीं करते. आप पूरे अभी स्टेशन पे देखने जाओगे, बहुत क्राउड रहता है, रश रहता है, तो हम पहचानेंगे कैसे डब्बा लोगे? तो कैब पे सर. हाँ. Basically, this is the typical lunch boxes which we are using in the previous time, and this is the typical hand cut which we are using in the previous time. But now it's a customer choice how the tiffin is basically.
टाइम पीरियड टाइम पे आता है, लेके जाता है.
वाओ।
This is not for my husband या family member. This is for client.
अच्छा, आप बिजनेस रन करते हैं?
हाँ, so they are also happy for optional and in look service भी बहुत अच्छी है टाइम.
आप काफी साल से ले रहे होंगे सर्विस?
last 7 years 5 years.
ये हमारा पहला सॉर्टिंग पॉइंट आप देख सकते हो. पहले सारे लंच बॉक्स पहले यहाँ पर कलेक्शन हो गए यहाँ पर. फिर ये वंस ऑल द लंच बॉक्सेस आर रीच हियर, देन दे विल स्टार्ट फॉर द सॉर्टिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू द कोडिंग सिस्टम. एंड अभी ये देखो, ये जो बंच है अभी ये एक स्टेशन पे चला जाएगा, वो बंच अलग स्टेशन पे चला जाएगा, वो जो डेस्टिनेशन स्टेशन होता है वो सबसे. मोर देन 80% आर डब्बा वालास आर इलिटरेट. They don't even know how to read and how to write.
अच्छा.
That's why they are using that type of code. First code, second code, third code, and this one is the fourth code. Yeah.
Okay.
And in this code, you can see on the top there is a VLP. What is VLP? VLP stands for the Ville Parle station basically. So VLP is the pickup point for us where the lunchbox gets picked. And after that, you can see here E. E is the code of the Dabba wala who picked that lunchbox from the Ville Parle station. Mr. E will go at the Ville Parle station, he collect the lunchbox and sends towards the 3. 3 is the code of the destination station, Churchgate station basically. And once the lunchbox reach at the Churchgate station, so you can see there is a 9. What is 9? 9 is the code of the third Dabba wala who will come again at the Churchgate station. He again pick that lunchbox and goes to EX. What is EX? EX is the name of the building name basically, Express Tower. And in that Express Tower on the 12th floor, the final delivery gets delivered.
तो ये हर एक डब्बा के लिए यूनिक कोड
A unique code. For one lunchbox, you will require minimum 3 Dabba walas. The one who will pick your lunchbox
Pick up.
from your home, and the second one is after the sorting, all the sorted lunchboxes collect and go with the train towards the destination station. And the third one is for the final delivery. Sorting में क्या होगा कि जितने भी टिफिन है वो सॉर्ट होंगे कोडिंग के हिसाब से, और उसके बाद हम लोकल ट्रेन से जाएंगे, चर्चगेट जाएंगे, और चर्चगेट में वहाँ पर पहुँचने के बाद हम फिर से एक बार सॉर्टिंग देखेंगे और फिर वहाँ से फाइनल डिलीवरी स्टार्ट होगी.
टिफिन लिया ना, वो पहुंचाना है पहुंचाना. हम लोग को भी कभी कभी काम करना पड़ता है क्योंकि किसी को भूखा नहीं रख सकते. हम लोग को प्रेसिडेंट है तो वो क्या बड़ी बात नहीं है कि आके बैठने का, ये करने का. एग्जीक्यूटिव जो ऑफिस जाने वाला वो खाने का राह देखता है, तो आपने को भी काम करना पड़ता है. कभी कभी किसी को बीमार होता है, कुछ होता है, तो खुद को काम करना पड़ता है. तो काम करते हैं ना, उसमें कुछ हेवान देवान होता है, झगड़ा होता है, या टिफिन का कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता है, वो सॉल्व करने का जैसा मतलब कोड रहता है वैसा ही हमारा कोड है. इधर आके 15 तारीख को हम लोग का मीटिंग रहता है, वो इधर सॉल्व किया जाए. इधर आके जो भी बताने का फिर इधर सॉल्व करते हैं.
तो रूट के हिसाब से सॉर्टिंग हो जाएगा। जैसे मैंने आपको 9 बताया था वो कोड में, तो आप वहाँ पर देखोगे आपको वॉल पे ना नंबर्स लिखे हुए दिख जाएंगे आपको 1 2 3 4 5 6। तो वो कोड रहेगी डब्बा वाले के, उसको वो पर्टिकुलर रूट दिया जाएगा। तो वो एक बार फिर से रीसॉर्टिंग होने के बाद वो कलेक्ट करके डिलीवरी के लिए निकल जाएगी। 15 नंबर को एक रूट दिया रहेगा, तो वो रूट को जाना है उनको।
फिर शाम में यही कलेक्शन
सेम प्रोसेस रिवर्स में जाता है। हाँ,
सुबह भी 9 बजे शुरुआत करते हैं। 9 बजे वो जो टिफिन है ना वो स्टेशन भी लेके आता है, दादर स्टेशन में। वो दादर से छत्तीसगढ़ से लेके आता है, यहीं तो शॉर्टिंग करके अभी गाड़ी भर के लेके जाएगा। 1:15 बजे देता है,
अच्छा
पर 1:15 बजे लेके पर वापस छत्तीसगढ़ से आता है।
अच्छा
2 बजे 2:15 बजे छत्तीसगढ़ से आता है।
बहुत एक्साइटिंग एंड इंस्पायरिंग है टू सी कि इतने सारे लोग काम कर रहे हैं। द होल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इज सेटअप एंड सेटअप सो ब्यूटीफुली एंड एरर फ्री इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड वेयर देयर इज सो मच ह्यूमन इंटरैक्शन गोइंग ऑन।
कोई रखता है, कोई उठाता है, कोई यहाँ सेटल करता है, फिर कोई और उठाकर ही डिलीवर्स इट, सो इट्स रियली अमेजिंग विदाउट एनी व्हाट्सएप, विदाउट एनी कॉन्टैक्ट, आई मीन विदाउट एनी मीडिया।
What I've noticed is that of all the tours that we lead, this one is probably the most exciting
okay
because this is something that completely defies logic, and to consider that these guys are so hardworking and they're a Six Sigma organization where the Six Sigma is actually awarded on your accuracy rates, and for them to be Six Sigma in this kind of an environment where they still have the same old traditional address and no QR codes, no barcodes, no address labels. This is something that the tourists cannot understand.
I stay at Kandivali,
yes, sir.
which is about 25-30 kilometers away from Pangtan. I leave early by 9:30. Then the dabba is ready by 9:45 or 10. Their timings are fixed. They will come at 10, 10:05. They pick up the dabbas from there, then give it to the another chap who will bring it by train. Here somebody will get down, hand over to the other chap, then he will bring here
And then
to their addas, and from there
will
these
take care
people will distribute. So
Right.
it's very easy, nothing
आप कितने साल से मंगा रहे हैं?
nearly about 40 years.
And our India and Bombay is, I feel Dabbawala is the best service being provided to all of us.
And how many years you have been customers for them?
20-25 years we are customers to. No, I feel more than 30 years I feel. Dabba is coming from last 95-96. तब से Dabba is long time ago.
So we have a Guinness World Record, amazing world record. In the 2004, the Prince Charles also met with the Dabbawalas. So there is a funny story behind that. So Mr. Jain, who is the coordinator of the Prince Charles, he just came down the Mumbai and asked to Dabbawalas, Prince Charles wants to meet you. Then the Dabbawala said that, who is the Prince Charles basically? So after that, Mr. Jain, who is the coordinator, he said he is the great king. So then the Dabbawala said, so what? Our customer is the great king. So after that, Mr. Jain said to our Dabbawalas, Prince Charles again wants to meet you. Then the Dabbawala said, if your Prince Charles wants to meet her, then he should be come at our given time at our given place. At the footpath on the church gate. And in the 2010, on the Republic Day, Maharashtra government gives the chance to the Dabbawalas to represent the Maharashtra state on the Delhi gate.
So we just finished our last delivery here at Vaishali's. Amazing experience. I think we will be studying about operations management, Six Sigma and all, and seeing it live today along with Dabbawalas, right from picking the first dabba from their customer's doorstep, traveling along with them in the train, seeing their camaraderie right from very near scale, and then the joy of delivering a lunchbox to a customer and seeing the happiness on the customer's face.
One of the key factors which we actually observed today was how does the applications actually work out. One of the things which stand out for me was the coding system. It's very simple, it's very layman, and it's very functional, and that is something I believe every company should aspire for.
two key takeaways for me. The first, I think, is customer is king, where the story that Vijay shared with us, that the King of England was also told to wait because the Dabbawalas were supposed to do their duty. So we see a lot of organizations striving to treat their customers as kings and queens, but here we see Dabbawalas actually implementing it. So that is one. The second is the flat hierarchy, which I loved the most. I think we, as organizations, we always struggle between this is something that one department is supposed to do. We divisionalize everything, but here we see an example of how their circular working, the way they behave as a community and not as an organization, is something that a lot of companies can learn.
We are really indebted. Thanks a lot to the Dabbawala team for giving us this enormous opportunity to learn while being on the ground. I think, rolling up our sleeves, that's what we've done today, to being there in the field and learning from the ground zero.